How to fix playable not showing on your YouTube application. So if you want to solve this problem, so first of all you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to long press on your YouTube application. Then you will find option called app info over here. So now you have to click on this. Then you will have an interface like this, and over here you have to click on this storage and cache option. Now you have to click on this clear cache option, and now you have to clear the cache of your YouTube application. After that you have to go back, and then you will find option called force stop over here. So now you have to click on it and force stop your YouTube application. After that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to open your Play Store or App Store, whichever device you use, and then you have to click on search bar, and now you have to search for YouTube, and now you have to update your YouTube app to the latest version, and after that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone. And that is how you can solve this problem. Now you have to open your YouTube app and your problem will be solved. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.